Okay, so this is the E-Tech JCB Jigsaw body kit. The guys from JCB have sent this over to me, so I'm going back out doing electrical work. I've got some drills, I've got a multi-tool, and I've also got this jigsaw as well these guys have sent me, so they're really looking after me. So let's unbox this, let's take a look what we've got inside. I'm going to be putting these through their paces over the next few months, and we'll keep coming back to you and let you know how they're performing. So I've got a few bits in here, little toolkit, instructions, put them out of the way. So we've got your vacuum pipe, a couple of jigsaw blades. Okay, so this JCB jigsaw tool is, man, it looks great. It's solid, it's rugged, it feels industrial. You can see how well made they really are. So for me, initially, just picking it up, you can tell this is a industrial product, something that you're going to be able to use on site daily. So we've got a lot of impact protection around here with the rubber. This is also doubling up for, comfort as well. You can see that looks very comfortable to hold with this rubber around the back, rubber around here and on the front, which is obviously another impact point here across the top as well. We've got the pendulum set in. We've got an adjustment for your angles for cutting, which we'll show you in a moment. We've got your battery point on the back here as well. Safety feature across the top for safety start, and obviously your button there as well. So this, your start button, this being a 18-volt lithium product. We've got a brushless DC motor in there, so that's gonna give you that braking system as well. So if you need it to stop, it's going to stop. It's not going to run on. Some of the kit features, bits that you get in the kit as well. You've got the adapter for your vacuum, so dust extraction. So you can pop that in there and fit that in. We won't do that at the moment. We've also got tool-free bit change as well, so we can just literally hold that, pull the collar back here like so, get your jigsaw blade, pop that in there, clip it into position and release, and that's now in place. So let's take a look at popping the battery on. This is something I'm really impressed with, the JCB range that I've been looking at. They're all interchangeable, but they're also very positive when you put them in, and also very easy to remove as well. So let me just show you that. So if you're on site there and you need to get that out, press the button in, slide it out. Very simple, very easy. You're not struggling trying to pull it out, so it just comes out very easily. So if you need to change the angle you're cutting at, you just release the side there, and then you can, on here you see we've got your 45° all the way round to 0. Okay, so you've got your pendulum. So at the moment, so don't forget we need to operate using the safety feature. So press the button in. So you can see there's no real pendulum movement there. But as we bring that round, so we put it to 2, you see we're starting to get the movement just here. So it's just aiding with the cutting process. There we go. And obviously 3, very positively, you can see the pendulum movement all there. Okay, so we've got the light underneath as well, so as long as the button's pressed, the light's going to operate, so you can see your cutting line. So yeah, very nice looking product, strong, built to last. It's going to do you proud on site. Love the interchangeable battery system as well with the power tools, so not only can I use the battery on my jigsaw, I can also use it on my impact driver and also my combi drill as well. So thanks very much to the guys at JCB for treating me to these products. I'm going to be putting them all through their paces, so keep watching. We'll come back in about a month's time and see how I've been getting on with this product in my daily life out on site. And yeah, and I'm really looking forward to using it. If you're in the market for a new jigsaw, why not give this JCB E-Tech jigsaw a try?
For more great reviews, blogs and free stuff, visit askad.com. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click here, and for more videos, click here.